If your Opel or Vauxhall engine light is on, it could be for one simple reason, and I will show you why and how to fix it in this video. This fault is common with modern diesel engines and is caused by a buildup of carbon in the inlet manifold. By simply removing the map sensor, we can diagnose this fault. And as expected, you can see it's totally blocked and carboned up. With a quick clean up with some brake cleaner, you can see how much cleaner and better it looks. You could just now pop it back in and clear the fault codes and hope for the best. In reality, it doesn't end there though. Just removing the inlet pipe, you will be able to see how bad the carbon has built up. Look at the EGR pipe. Here's the manifold once removed. So, now let's get started and we'll remove the inlet manifold. Starting on the right hand side of the engine, remove the induction pipe and the throttle body. Then remove that EGR pipe that we saw earlier. Remove the airbox. Then start removing the 10 millibolts on the back of the manifold for the wiring harness. Remove the main fuel pipe from the fuel pump. If you follow the pipe down with your hand, you can get to the nut at the bottom. Now, off with the remaining wiring harness on the heater plugs. Remove the wiring harness fixing brackets to allow it to move. The fuel pipe here needs unclipping too. There's a few small bolts down the right hand side too. Now it's time to remove the inlet manifold securing bolts on the top and bottom. The bottom ones can be quite fiddly to get to. Now it's loose. I found it easy to remove the manifold by moving the fuel rail. Here's the fun bit, cleaning. This will take you some time. If you have any tips or advice, please leave a comment below. Here it is, not much cleaner now and operational. This is the carbon that I managed to get out of this manifold. Truly amazing. All that's left to do now is rebuild it, delete the fault codes and enjoy much smoother drivability of your car. How did you find the job? Please leave a comment below with any comments, tips or tricks, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.